Welcome to Red Star tutorial. Today we are going to discuss about the factor affecting on temperature on evaporation. So there is so many factors. First is the temperature, then second was it's the surface area, third is the agitation, and fourth one is the atmospheric vapor pressure, and fifth one is the type of the product required, and sixth one is the economic factor. So we briefly explain what is the effect of temperature on the evaporation. So the rate of the evaporation is directly proportional to the temperature. If we increase the temperature, then definitely the rate of evaporation is increased. But the maximum, the rate of evaporation is maximum at the boiling point of liquid. If we talk about the surface area, the surface area is also directly proportional to the rate of evaporation. If there is a large surface area, definitely the rate of evaporation will increase. If there is a small surface area, the rate of evaporation will be decreased. So greater the surface exposure to the evaporation, the greater will be the rate of evaporation. Agitation. During evaporation, a layer or scum is formed at a liquid surface. So it is very necessary to agitate the or stir the solution during the evaporation for to provide the surface area for the molecule to escape from the surface. So agitation also increase. If we agitate, the second layer will disappear, so the molecule easily come on the surface. So agitation increase the rate of evaporation. Atmospheric aqueous vapor content. If atmospheric moisture content in air are high, if the atmosphere contain high moisture content as compared content, then the rate of evaporation will be decrease. The rate of evaporation will be slow, but if the less evaporation will be fast. If there is less, if there is the moisture is less in the atmosphere, then the rate of evaporation will be increased. The rate of evaporation is increased if the atmosphere is dry. So rate of rate of evaporation increase if the atmosphere is dry. Otherwise, if the atmosphere has a very high content of moisture, then the rate of evaporation definitely decrease. If we also use steam to dry the atmosphere to increase the evaporation rate. Evaporation, atmospheric pressure. The rate of evaporation is inversely proportional to the atmospheric pressure on the surface of a liquid. The rate of evaporation is doubled by reducing the atmospheric pressure on the liquid to the one half. Due to reason, in many cases evaporation is done under reduced pressure. Because if the atmospheric pressure is increased, the rate of evaporation will decrease. If the atmospheric pressure is reduced, then definitely the rate of evaporation increases. Type of product required. Selection of method and apparatus depend upon the type of the product required. And economic factor that contribute significantly in selecting method and the type of the apparatus to be used for evaporation.